Ice. We will learn how to put ice inside the shaker.
It is my ice today.
My advice: when you do tricks with ice inside your shaker, do not put too much ice. It's better to put just few cubes, do your trick, and then add some more ice if you need it.
So to do these tricks with ice, first of all you have to learn how to throw your shaker out of your ice cube. So just put your shaker inside your ice cube this way and just throw it hand to hand with no flips. Really important thing here is that you have to throw it not this way, not throw it up. You have to throw it by this direction. Why? Because you have ice inside. And if you will throw your shaker like up, down, so you will lose your ice. And if you will throw it this way, the ice will be inside. And again, here, then throw it. Here, do neck pass. Hold it like this. You can help yourself with your finger here. And again, do not throw it up. And throw it, do it pass back. And here again, do not throw it like up, down. Throw it this way, like this. You have to feel like you start to push your shaker and then do this move. It will help you to throw your shaker straight. Then do it with ice. And after you're confident, do it from the beginning. So you have to take your shaker, for example this way, hold it like this, then put your ice inside, then just turn your shaker this way and put it inside your ice cube, and then throw it You can throw it here, or here, or here. And let's do it with ice. Thumb,